Hey guys, it's Jamise with oolalablog.com, a fashion and lifestyle blog where I'm sharing style and beauty tips, shopping guides, and ways to save. Today's video is a style guide. I am showing you 4 different ways to style plaid pieces that you may have in your closet and still look festive and chic. So sometimes when we are wearing plaid during the holiday season, around Christmas time, it can kind of look too Christmassy, if that makes any sense. But I'm going to show you how to take those red and green plaids and still make it look chic and very stylish. So if you have some plaid pieces in your closet looking for some ways to style it up, I got you covered in this video. Stick around. First look, I'm calling it preppy meets chic. It is giving me all the preppy vibes, and it's also giving me a nod to the 90s. This is so clueless. I definitely could be rolling with Cher and the rest of the homies. Rolling with the homies, definitely. It's the pleated skirt for me. It's the pleated skirt for me. I bought this pleated skirt from ASOS a couple of months ago. Unfortunately, it's sold out, but I will try to find some pleated skirts to leave in the description box just in case you want to recreate a vibe similar to this. But I paired this pleated skirt with a button front blouse that I bought from JCPenney so many years ago. This is what you call an oldie but goodie because it's still doing what it needs to be doing. It is giving what needs to be gave, okay? I paired the blouse and skirt with some knee-high boots along with some knee-high socks, okay? So it's definitely giving you that preppy schoolgirl vibe, but I wanted to add a bit of chicness to it. And I feel like this green coat adds that missing element to bring it all home to just complete the look. So this green herringbone coat, I bought it from Just Fab for $20, y'all. And this pearl headband also really helps with the look. So definitely feeling the preppy vibe, the 90s vibe. Moving on to look number 2. Look edgy. And I'm calling it edgy simply because of the shearling moto style jacket along with the lace-up boots that I added to this look. Because just wearing those shorts alone could definitely give you festive Christmassy vibes, and that's not what we want, okay? We want to be stylish with our plaid pieces. Let me tell you about these shorts. I bought these shorts back in 2013 from the thrift store. These are wool, and these are the traditional tartan print. These are everything. Look, these shorts landed me in InStyle.com back in the day. So the shorts doing what the shorts need to do, okay? So I paired my bright red shorts that I bought from the thrift store with a mustard colored turtleneck. This is a French Connection turtleneck that I bought from TJ Maxx this fall. And so I said, I'm wearing the turtleneck with the red shorts, throwing on the shearling jacket, the shearling leather style jacket. Yes, boom, baby. Edgy all day. Love this look. So definitely not feeling festive and Christmassy over here. I'm giving you edgy, I'm giving you chic, and I'm giving it to you, baby. Let's move on to look number 3. Look number 3 is what I'm gonna call sexy plaid. Yes, we gonna make plaid sexy. So I threw on these plaid pants that I bought from Walmart last year. Walmart, look, if y'all ain't shopping at Walmart and finding some cute bops over there, I don't know what y'all doing. Pants fit me good, honey. Boom, bam, pow. All right, showing off all the hips and things. That's why I'm calling this a sexy look. And so I paired it with a green velvet style bodysuit. And this thing is off the shoulders. Look at it, baby. I'm giving you collarbone realness, all right? I'm giving you off the shoulder sexiness. This look is super sexy. And it got me looking a little snatched, okay? I mean, this is what you call sexy, chic, and we doing it with plaid. Moving on to the last look. And of course, I have a story to tell. But this coat is a Betsy Johnson coat that I scored from the thrift store back in 2015 when I lived in Rochester, New York. And it has like a faux fur collar, It's double-breasted. It's good. I keep it basic when I wear this coat because the coat is doing enough. The coat is saying everything. It's what I would consider statement worthy. All right. So I just kept it black. You can't go wrong with a black turtleneck because, again, I'm the turtleneck queen. I paired it with a pair of black shorts. I did my knee boots and my knee-high socks again, and it works. Boom, bam, pow. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I had a good time filming it. I hope these tips will help you when styling up those plaid pieces you already have in your closet, or thinking about buying them, but you did not because you didn't know how to wear them. Well, that is why I am here. I am here to provide those tips when it comes to style, beauty, and of course, providing some shopping guides and ways to save. If you have any questions, I'll answer them right down in the comments. So make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you soon. Bye.